Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will guide you through the process of turning on notifications for story uploads from a specific contact in Telegram. If you want to stay updated and be notified whenever a specific contact uploads a story, we've got you covered. Let's jump right into the full guide. Step 1. Open Telegram. Make sure you have the official version of the Telegram app installed on your device. Locate the Telegram app icon on your home screen or in your app drawer and tap on it to launch the application. Step 2. Sign in if you haven't already. Enter your phone number and follow the verification process to access your Telegram account. Step 3. The Stories bar will appear at the top of the screen. This bar displays the stories uploaded by your contacts. Scroll through the stories until you find the story from the specific contact that you want to turn on notifications for. Step 4. Tap and hold on the contact's story. After a moment, a set of options will appear. Step 5. Among the options, you will see Notify Me About Stories. Tap on this option to turn on notifications for story uploads from this specific contact. Congratulations! You have successfully learned how to turn on notifications for story uploads from a specific contact in Telegram. By doing this, you will be notified whenever the contact uploads a new story, allowing you to stay up to date with their updates. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, please consider giving this video a thumbs up and subscribing to our channel for more informative content. Don't forget to hit the notification bell to stay updated with our latest videos. If you have any questions or need further assistance, please don't hesitate to leave a comment below. We'll be more than happy to help you out. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.